Top 10 hydraulics interview questions or answers. 8. What is a hydraulic system? Answer. A hydraulic system uses pressurized fluid to generate mechanical power, commonly used in heavy machinery, vehicles, and industrial equipment. Do. State Pascal's law and its significance in hydraulics. Answer. Pascal's law states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. This principle is used in hydraulic presses, lifts, and braking systems. Theme. What are the main components of a hydraulic system? Answer. Reservoir stores hydraulic fluid. Pump creates fluid flow. Valves control pressure and direction. Actuators convert hydraulic energy into mechanical motion. 4. What is the difference between a hydraulic pump and a hydraulic motor? Answer. Hydraulic pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Hydraulic motor converts hydraulic energy back into mechanical energy. 5. What are the types of hydraulic pumps? Answer. Gear pump, simple, low cost, used in industrial machines. Wheel pump, efficient and used in high pressure applications. Piston pump, high efficiency, used in heavy duty applications. Chair. What is the purpose of a hydraulic accumulator? Answer. A hydraulic accumulator stores fluid under pressure and releases it when needed to maintain system stability, absorb shocks, and provide emergency power. 7. What is cavitation in hydraulics? How can it be prevented? Answer. Cavitation occurs when vapor bubbles form and collapse inside the fluid, causing damage. It can be prevented by ensuring proper suction conditions, avoiding excessive flow restrictions, using anti-cavitation valves. 8. What is the difference between an open loop and a closed loop hydraulic system? Answer. Open loop system, fluid is drawn from a reservoir, used and then returned. Closed loop system, fluid continuously recirculates between pump and actuator, improving efficiency. No. How do hydraulic brakes work? Answer. Hydraulic brakes use Pascal's law to transmit force from the brake pedal through brake fluid, which applies pressure to the brake pads, stopping the vehicle. Thus, what are the advantages of hydraulic systems over mechanical and pneumatic systems? Answer. High power density can transmit large amounts of power efficiently. Smooth and precise control provides better motion control than mechanical systems. Self-lubricating, hydraulic fluid reduces wear and tear. Compact design, more power in a smaller space compared to mechanical systems. Quiz time. Q1. According to Pascal's law, if pressure is applied to a confined fluid, how does it behave? A. The pressure increases only in the direction of force applied. B. The pressure is transmitted equally in all directions. C. The pressure decreases as fluid moves. D. None of three above.
Please comment